solve the equation 3 root x over 4 minus 7 is equal to 8. So we've got 3 root x over 4 minus 7 is equal to 8. So again, solving equations is about doing opposites on both sides. So if we add 7 to both sides, we're going to get 3 root x over 4. 8 plus 7 gives me 15. Opposite of dividing by 4 is to multiply by 4. So multiply both sides by 4. So we're going to get 3 root x on this side. 4 times 15 gives me 60. The opposite of dividing by 3, multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. So we get the square root of x is 60 divided by 3, which is 20. And then the opposite of doing square root is to square both sides. So the square of a square root just gives you x, and then 20 squared is 400. So x is equal to 400 is the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation with a radical in it and a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.